Hey guys, how's it going? There was been this is non-wheat stock related. I know the wheat stocks are hot right now, and they're not really being affected by the U.S. market. But this is gonna be on the recent stock market. How a lot of people are coming out saying, "Oh, stock market crash! Is the stock market gonna crash?" Like I don't think there's a crash. I don't know what's going on exactly, but everything's been down. Everything has just been red. It's crazy. But before we begin, like always, this is my stock market mastery course. This is sponsored by my stock market mastery course. Join now. You will get to see my corporate portfolio, my every single trade, and I make exclusive video for the stock market mastery course. Try to make one every day. I'm not promising. I promised like one a month, two a month, but I'm actually consistently putting out content and video for the stock market mastery course. So I mean, I put a lot of value into this. I put a lot of work into this. As soon as I make a trade, it comes out, and you will, like, as soon as I make a trade, you guys will be you'll be notified right away. Every trade, every buy, every sell I make on the entire stock market will be notified. So just letting you know. So let's begin. So, like, granted, this is not part of the whole thing, but I wanted to talk a little bit about NIO. NIO is basically a company that distributes electric cars that was manufactured by someone else. They don't actually build the cars themselves. They basically buy cars and then resell them. They're like a distributor. There's kind of like the completely opposite of Tesla. Tesla builds their own cars, so they don't really build their own cars. They kind of distribute it, and they distribute it in China too, and they managed to land the stock on the New York Stock Exchange, which is pretty good. There was some big news that caused the stock to rise 5% today. Some guy who was big in Tesla decided to buy 11.4% car stake into this company, causing the stock to rise up 5%, which is not very much, but you know. And then now it's taking back what it gained. So will I be buying into this company? Maybe I'll give it a slight gamble because there's big money backing this, but I would have to wait for a right price point, and I seriously have not done any research on this company yet. I saw some videos on YouTube. People talk about it, so that's like my information right there. But personally, I have not done any research on this company at all. I don't have time. I have lots of video requests. A lot of people requesting videos of me, so it's just my time is very limited, unfortunately. But it's very interesting news. Usually money follows money, so when there's a big investment, usually other people will just throw money into it just because somebody threw hundreds of millions of dollars into this stock. Sometimes, not always. No, I might buy in if it hits a certain price point. If you want to know when I buy, join my membership group, I guess. AMD's been kicking my ass lately. Like, I mean, at this point, all I can do is just keep buying. The lower it drops. The lower it drops, the more I buy, because, like I said, I still believe in this company, and there's like, right now everything is like a falling knife. Everything is just like being hammered, falling down, crashing. And you know, it's affecting all the stocks. Like Facebook is down huge. Like, if you look over the course of 6 months, it's just consistently going down. Earnings are coming up, so you know, this could be an opportunity. I'm not advising anyone to buy, but it could be an opportunity to buy into, you know, companies that you would believe in, because Facebook's a pretty safe company. They had a lot of bad news surrounding the company lately, but you know, the next quarter report can either plummet the stock even further or increase the stock price. But if the stock price plummets, I might actually consider buying it because it's already plummeted so much. So if it plummets even more, I might consider investing money into Facebook. You know, finally getting my foot back in the door after so long. Because when I first invested into Facebook, I invested into the stock at $20, 20 US dollars. I should have went all in. I shouldn't have sold my Facebook share and put it into AMD. I should have just took everything and threw it into Facebook. I would have been richer faster, but nope, I gambled on the smaller player. I mean, AMD did pay off in 2016. Yeah, 16. They paid off in 2016 because the stock went from literally $2 all the way to like 10, 12, 13, $14 by near the end of the year. So I mean, it paid off, but you know, if I invested into Facebook earlier, it would have paid off much faster, and then I could have converted that back into AMD, and you know, be super rich. But you can't always have everything you want in life. Nobody can be the perfect trader. You know, just make the perfect move and just become billionaires overnight. I mean, not overnight, over the course of years. You know, that's everybody's wish, but no, it's the stock market. Sometimes you're gonna make bad moves, you're gonna make bad trades, and that's gonna cause you to lose a lot of money. That's my feeling about the stock market anyways. Even Ford is like getting dragged down with the whole market. You know, I'm giving you different industries. Like this one's a car industry, AMD was a tech industry, Facebook's a social media industry, Micron is kind of a tech industry. They're declining pretty bad too. Their PE ratio is like literally 3.61. Like wow. But yeah, like everything's just getting dragged down. Like I think Micron is like all-time lows right now. No, it's been lower. It's been to $40. Probably gonna hit $40 in my opinion, but who knows? Alibaba, like a Chinese company, also down to its 52-week low. This stock used to be $200. $200. Now it's $138. So I mean, you could like cap the stock, hope it rises back to $200 and you know, almost double your money. But you know, it's risky. It could keep falling. You could keep losing more money. So you know, the stock market is risky in general, period. I mean, it could recover, but the whole trade war right now is causing the stock to be really, really, really volatile and causing it to plummet. I mean, I may be a buyer, but just saying, if I see the right price point, I may put a little gamble in Alibaba. Even though I'm not really a big fan of Chinese companies, but I may put in some money of Alibaba if it hits my certain price point. Amazon even got hit. You know, Amazon, the big e-commerce giant, took a big 6% hit today. It's down, you know, quite a bit. I mean, it's like literally the entire stock market is like a falling knife right now. So if you guys trying to catch these stocks, you guys could get burnt. But then again, there's like the whole earnings call coming up this month in November. So late October and early November could be a really good time for these stocks. But if earnings come out good, especially since it already has such a big decline, the earnings could make a reversal on these stocks. Not advising anyone to buy. I'm just saying that there's a possibility. Who knows what's gonna happen? If anybody has any more information about why these stocks are declining in decline mode so badly, let me post in the comments below. I would love to hear you guys' thoughts on this. Apple stock has gone down too. I mean, 5% today. Yeah, it's gone down quite a bit. That's all I really have to say about it. It's still a $1 trillion company, so it's still extremely overvalued. Could be a good opportunity if it falls more and more. Like, just saying, like you could take advantage of the weakness in the market right now, or it could be a bear trap. like it's the risk of the stock market, in my opinion. You know, like wheat stocks right now are safe because there's like the whole rumors of big companies like tobacco companies, alcohol companies, beverage companies, big pharma companies looking into the space. So cannabis is basically fueled by hype. And where's all this sell-off money gonna go to, huh? Is it gonna go redirected to like other companies, or is it gonna get redirected to cannabis companies? Who knows? Because money has to flow somewhere, right? It's either gonna be in cash or it's gonna get injected into another company. That's just my opinion. Anyways, I hope we don't actually have a stock market crash, but you know, anything's possible. There's a whole trade war going on. There's, you know, Donald Trump can tweet something that could cause the world to go crumbling down. I don't think so. I mean, the economy in the United States look pretty healthy right now. There's like jobs all over the place, and it's like hard to not find a job in the United States right now, at least according to some of the videos I've been watching. So I mean, it doesn't look like the United States in a recession at all. Trump seems to be doing a good job on the economy side. But we'll see what happens. I know the Feds increase interest rates. That's another reason why these stocks are like declining too. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this content, please give me a thumbs up. If you dislike this content, please give me a thumbs down. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.